Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I filmed this look along with my hair and little deets about this new boho liquid gold adhesive. So if you're interested in seeing the video, and I think I might split up in two parts, then continue watching. Okay, so for my very first color, I'm going in my Juvia's Place Festival palette. This one, I'm going to be using the color Izafa. LOL at me trying to pronounce these names, and a Morphe E17 brush, and I'm going to use that to place in my crease first. So I'm going to do the same thing I always do by taking the color and pressing it into my eyelid. And we're just going to build up the opacity by taking a little bit of product at a time and just building it up. And I already have a look in mind already. It's like a jewel tone kind of look. It's got glitter, of course. I think I'm feeling purple because I want to use my pigment stack also by My Own Makeup. So I'm just going in with this red color. Get it all packed into the eye. It's a really pretty color. And to blend that red color out, I'm going to go in with this color Eerie G on a Morphe M506, and I'm gonna take that around the edges of the red. It's a really pretty bright pink color. You wanna keep it kind of low, making sure we're just blurring the lines because we're going to be using this to blend towards our brow bone. You almost can't tell the color difference between these two unless you're like really up close, but it's okay. We'll add another color on there to make it a little bit more like of a gradient effect, and that should pull the look together. So I'm gonna go in with an orange color from the Zulu palette on a Morphe 534, something really large and fluffy, and I'm going to pop that right on top, and it'll help to kind of give this more of a gradient effect. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into my Zulu palette into this purple color to kind of deepen up the look. I'm just gonna go in on this tapered blending brush by My Makeup and just lightly buff that into the eye. This is strictly to give a little bit more dimension because the red, as you could tell, it didn't really get as deep as I would have liked. So I'm just gonna go in with this purple color and blend it into the crease. And then go in and darken up any colors that I feel like have been lost or missing. So once we get the desired opacity, I will go in for the lid shade. All right, so now I got my cut crease done. I'm going to go in with this purple color from the Zulu palette, if you can see that. And then I'm gonna top it with the pigment. I didn't realize the pigment was shimmery, so that's why I'm going to use this as a base because I wanted this more matte. All right, so now that I got the purple on, I went in with a thick liner. I used my NYC liquid liner. And now I'm gonna go in with some glitter. I think these are both from J Glitz Makeup, I think. I'm gonna use this one on bonus clay. It's called Mermaid? I don't remember. And then this blue color, it's really pretty, teal color. I'm going to use that to make a glitter liner. All right, so after I finished the liner, I went ahead and put some lashes on, and now I'm gonna go on my full face routine, which I'll probably do off camera, come back, and we'll finish up the lower lash line. I'm gonna go back into the Festival palette, and I'm gonna take my same Morphe E17, and I'm gonna go into, I really wanna do this one right here, Ofala. Let's try Ofala. It's like a really bright, like orangey red. And then I'm gonna clean Morphe M507. I'm gonna take the orange again and just kind of smoke out that red color, just slightly. And then I'm gonna put some black liner in my waterline and in my bottom mascara. So now I'm gonna take this Nika K face and body shimmer that I picked up. It's like a purpley, I don't know if you can see it. It's really pretty and purple. It's like $1.99. I'm gonna use this as my highlight shade and my inner corner color if it looks good. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on a M508 brush and put that in my inner corner. Need more like pop, so let me look for another color. So in the Magic palette by Juvia's Place, there's this color called Fazo. It's really pretty purple, very close to the color that I just put on. I'm just gonna top it off with this shade because it's a little bit more pigmented. Then I'm gonna go back in with this body shimmer. It's got like a little sponge like applicator on it. I'm just gonna put that on my areas that I would normally highlight. Try not to overdo it. But you want to definitely get that purple color. And then to do lips, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop lip liner BFF4, and I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick by Tarte. This is one of the little mini ones that you get in like your birthday kit. I'm just gonna use that because it's kind of pinkish nude. It's pretty.